you will write
bottle
state.
attack.
Again I will not repeat, please understand here. State with one colon. Okay, then you will write state of the salt was noted in experiment. You have written in your records only state, color, order and left in a single word. At no point will you maintain your experiment, observation or inference in a single word. You have to write the complete sentence. Are you understanding? Okay. In state you will write state of the salt was noted. Observation you will write the salt was found to be crystalline in nature, or the salt was found to be amorphous in nature. Inference you will write carbonate ion may be present. Okay, or carbonate ion is absent for crystalline. Okay, then you will write color. Okay, color of the salt was noted. Everywhere you are going to write sentences. Okay, here you will write the salt was found to be white in color. Inference you will write Fe2 plus Cu2 plus, all the colored ions are absent. Which all colored ions are there? See that Mn2 plus, they are all absent. Okay, then you will write odor. Then odor of the salt was noted. If you have ammonia containing salt, you will write ammonical smell. If you do not have ammonia containing salt, you will write no characteristic odor was observed. Okay. Inference, if you have ammonia, you have written here ammonical smell, you will write ammonium radical is present. If your salt is not an ammonium containing salt, here you wrote no characteristic odor, so you will write ammonium ion is absent. Did you understand?
Yes.
Then you will write solubility. Solubility, it is better not to make the table, you write here only. The salt was found to be soluble. Solubility of the salt was tested with water and dilute HCl. Okay, observation you write the salt was found to be soluble in cold water or cold dilute HCl. Okay, whichever your salt is soluble in. Inference you will write if it is in dilute HCl, carbonate radical may be present, or in water you will write any halide, or that's why you have to finish your performance first. You will have an idea of what your salt is and what tests you can include. Okay, state, solubility, color, odor, all that you will write deliquescence. Deliquescence means what? The salt when we expose it to the air, it forms a paste. Okay, so deliquescent salts, we have two deliquescent salts. Okay, you can come and see them. And if it is not deliquescent, you will say the salt deliquescent nature was not shown. Okay, then you will write depending on your radicals. You can write bead test, charcoal cavity test. You have to add any of these tests. Okay, so you will make it to 6 to 7 preliminary tests. No reactions required for preliminary test. Then you will write Roman number 2. Okay, Roman number 2, you will write analysis of anions. Then you will write again some heading, analysis of group 1 anion. When you write analysis of group 1 anion, put one bracket and write the radicals which are present in group 1 anion. Okay, we have only carbonate, you can write carbonate. Is that clear? Okay, after that you will write anion में carbonate का test you will write in experiment whatever is the carbonate test. Observation you will write brisk effervescence observed. Inference you will write carbonate ion may be present. अब may be present मिल गया ना, उसके नीचे उसका रिएक्शन. यहाँ पे कार्बोनेट का टेस्ट लिखा, उसके नीचे उसका रिएक्शन. Then you will write heading confirmatory test for carbonate. ओके, यहाँ पे फिर से you will write experiment, observation, inference इसको लिखोगे, confirmatory test का reaction नीचे. Did you understand? If your radical is sulfate, okay, कोई sulfate था, तो here you will write no brisk effervescence, group 1 radicals are absent. तो reaction की कोई जरूरत नहीं, absent है. You will write next heading analysis of group 2 anion. Then you will write salt plus concentrated H2SO4. No characteristic reaction. Halides are absent. Group 2 में you have to note. You will write halides are absent. After writing halides are absent, down you have to write to the same test tube add copper turning and heat. Okay, no brown PPT, nitrate is absent. when you have sulfate as your radical, you should show separate absence of halides, then separate absence of nitrate. Did you understand? Show nitrate is absent. Then you will write next heading as analysis of group 3 anions. You will write sulfate test, its reaction below that test. Did you understand that? If yours is nitrate, you will show halides are absent. Then you will write to the above test tube add copper turning and heat. Brown fumes, nitrate is present. Uska reaction लिख दो. Then you will write confirmatory test for nitrate, brown ring test. Put one colon, whatever you are adding, salt plus freshly prepared ferric chloride plus concentrated H2SO4 on the sides of test tube. All that in experiment. Brown ring is formed between the two layers, that becomes the observation. Nitrate radical is confirmed, becomes your inference. अब confirm हो गया तो उसी के नीचे उसका reaction. Do not write all the reactions near the result at the end. You will not get marks. Is that clear? जो रिएक्शन लिखोगे जहां पे तुम्हारा रेडिकल प्रेजेंट दिखा उसी के नीचे उसका रिएक्शन लिखना है. Did you understand that? Okay. You will write anions first. After finishing anion, you will write next third Roman number. That will be analysis of cations. Okay. Then you will write analysis of zero group cation. जीरो ग्रुप एब्सेंट, फर्स्ट एब्सेंट, सेकंड एब्सेंट, जहां तक तुम्हारा कैटायन मिलेगा वहां तक एब्सेंट दिखाओ. वेयर यू गेट देयर यू विल शो द प्रेजेंस, इट्स रिएक्शन एंड कंफर्मेटरी टेस्ट्स. Did you understand that? Okay. If your salt, multiple radicals come in our group 5, where we have barium, strontium and calcium. In fifth group we are giving you barium and calcium. Okay. Yes. If you are getting calcium chloride as your salt or calcium carbonate as your salt, तो calcium fifth group में PPT मिलेगा. उस PPT के नीचे उसका reaction है, वो reaction लिखोगे. Okay. Then next you will write, because in fifth group barium comes first, then comes strontium, last comes calcium. You should write one test, not the flame test, the other test. One test for barium, show it as absent. One test for strontium, show it as absent. Then you will write the test for calcium, show it as present, and then you will do the flame test. Did you understand? Doing part, nobody is asking you how and what you are doing. Writing has to be systematically written. Okay. If your salt is barium nitrate, then immediately after you add ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, all that, and you are getting a PPT, you will directly write barium का test. You need not write strontium and calcium test. Barium पहले ही आ गया, उसका वहीं पे confirm हो गया. You need not show strontium, calcium absent. If you have barium, barium comes first, strontium then calcium. Did you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. That you have to do. After that you will write the result. Calcium write, then you will write result. Result में listen, result is the place where you do blunders and blunders. Okay. In result, when you are writing the symbol,
ये है पढ़ा हुआ बच्ची.
when you are writing the symbol of your radicals, the symbol of, you will write first cation, then you will write anion, then you will write the salt. Okay. Now cation का जो तुम लिखोगे सिंबल में चार्ज लगाना जरूरी है. ओके. नेम में अमोनियम लिखोगे, एनियन में Cl चार्ज लगाना जरूरी है. एंड नेम यू विल राइट क्लोरीन, क्लोराइड. ओके. सॉल्ट you will write here NH4Cl. I do not want anybody to write the name of salt as NH4 plus and Cl minus. You will not put symbol in the salt name. Na plus Cl minus नहीं लिखते हम लोग, NaCl no. So it is the salt का जब दोनों को मिलाएंगे, no need to write the charges. Okay, so it is NH4Cl continuous, and you will write the name as ammonium chloride. Did you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Salt analysis, any doubts? Okay, you will write under 3 subheadings: preliminary test, analysis of anions, analysis of cations. जहाँ पे मिलेगा उसका रिएक्शन, उसका कंफर्मेटरी, उसका रिएक्शन. Okay? जो एब्सेंट है उसका.
Thanks for watching. Please like.
जो रिएक्शन लिखोगे ना, A plus B is giving you C plus D. This arrows which are crossing your reactions, प्लीज मेक श्योर यू इरेज दैट।
ये हम अपने ग्रुप में डालूंगा।
लाइन तो ऊपर से नीचे
पढ़ने
तक
के
ये
लिए।
डालते हो ना, एक्सपेरिमेंट
Okay, thank you, guys.